Hey guys, I am back, and I'm still camping. Yeah, we're yesterday. Yeah, I almost drowned in the water over there.
Right there, the water was going too fast. He knows how to swim, but the water was
Yeah, but I caught onto a rock.
yeah.
No joke.
And
Look at this scar. I got scars.
Look at my cuts.
She got cuts too. So yeah, the video may end quickly. My hair.
I used to have scars.
Besides, I just woke up. The video may end quickly. If it randomly ends, then yeah. And guys, please subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I liked and subscribed, and please send fan mail. Thank you. Some other
My arm.
what?
I almost broke my arm.
Oh Jesus.
He almost broke his leg.
Yeah, my leg was very hurt. I had to use a stick. So yeah, guys, we're gonna explore. I'm gonna show you. I'm be back when we find our place. Wait, I mean when we go to our little tiny secret place. Bye bye. Yeah, guys, I'm here. Gotta make sure not to drop the phone. But look at the water.
This is a secret place.
Yeah, this is our secret place, guys.
We like to look at the water.
Yeah. But yeah, let's not drop the phone in the water. Come on. Let's go. Me back, guys. Yep, guys. We're back. Excuse me. And we are somewhere else. Look. I forget what camp we are at. But we're staying here for 2 more days. Pretend we're staying here for 2 more days.
Yes. See?
Okay, guys, we gotta go back up to the camp. Meet you guys there.
Sausage and two
Okay, guys. I'm back and I'm eating.
And all kinds of stuff. They're eating like Hormel chili with hot dogs. Super simple.
Okay, but that's not what I'm eating. I just ate some toast. And yeah, I'm getting some blue Gatorade. Frost. It's Glacier Freeze.
I just needed 1 minute to get my red.
Yeah, she has fruit punch. I have freeze glacier. Glacier freeze.
What would we bring?
No, they
What
don't.
did we not bring that we
They
brought?
have different flavors.
Obviously you need tables. I mean, we could have used that table.
Be back when we're enabled to explore.